Hi students, today we are going to discuss about linear equations in one variable, 8th class second chapter, exercise 2.1, first bit. Solve the following simple equations. 11th one, 200y minus 51 equal to 49. Solution: 200y minus 51 equal to 49. ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి? y. y వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. 200y ఈక్వల్ టు 49 మైనస్ 51 ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ చేస్తే ప్లస్ 51, మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్, ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్. 200y equal to 49 plus 51 equal to 100. 200y can be written as 200 into y. 200 into y equal to 200y equal to 100. Here 200 is multiplication transposing to division. Y equal to 100 by 200. 2 zeros cancel. Y equal to 1 by 2. Answer equal to 1 by 2. 12th one, 11n plus 1 equal to 1. Solution: 11n plus 1 equal to 1. 11n equal 1. Plus 1 transposing చేస్తే minus 1. 11n equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 11n can be written as 11 into n equal to 0. 11 into n equal to 11n. Here 11 is multiplication transposing to division. n equal to 0 by 11. 0 by anything equal to 0. Answer equal to 0. 13th one, 7x minus 9 equal to 16. Solution: 7x minus 9 equal to 16. 7x equal to 16. Minus 9 transposing చేస్తే plus 9. 7x equal to 16 plus 9 equal to 25. 7x can be written as 7 into x. 7 into x equal to 7x equal to 25. Here 7 is multiplication transposing to division. X equal to 25 by 7. Answer equal to 25 by 7. 14th one, 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. Solution: 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. 8x equal to 13 plus 5 by 2 transposing చేస్తే minus 5 by 2. 8x equal to 13 by 1 minus 5 by 2. 13 by 1 equal to 13. 8x equal to, first of all LCM by 2. 1 2 ja 2. 2 into 13 minus 2 1 ja 2. 1 into 5. 8x equal to 2 13 ja 26 minus 1 5 ja 5 by 2. 8x equal to 26 minus 5 equal 21 by 2. 8x can be written as 8 into x equal to 21 by 2. 8 into x equal to 8x. Here 8 is multiplication transposing to division. X equal to 21 by 2 by 8. X equal to 21 by 2 by 8 by 1 reciprocal చేస్తే 1 by 8. అంటే 8 by 1 ని రివర్స్ చేస్తే 1 by 8 అని రాయొచ్చు కదా. X equal to 21 into 1 21 by 2 into 8 16. Answer equal to 21 by 6. 15th one, minus pi by 3 equal to 9. Solution 4x minus pi by 3 equal to 9. 4x equal to 9. Minus pi by 3 transposing చేస్తే plus pi by 3. 4x equal to 9 by 1. 9 by 1 equal to 9 plus pi by 3. First of all LCM by 3. 1 3 ja 3. 3 into 9 plus 3 1 ja 3. 1 into 5. 4x equal to 3 9 ja 27 plus 1 5 ja 5 by 3. 4x equal to 27 plus 5 32 by 3. 4x can be written as 4 into x equal to 32 by 3. Here 4 is multiplication transposing to division. X equal to 32 by 3 by 4. X equal to 32 by 3 by 4 by 1. 4 by 1 ని reciprocal చేస్తే 1 by 4 అంటే 4 by 1 ని రివర్స్ చేస్తే 1 by 4 అని రాయొచ్చు కదా. x equal to 4 1 ja 4 8 ja 32. 8 into 1 8 by 3 into 1 3. Answer equal to 3 by 1. 16th one, x plus 4 by 3 equal to 3 1 by 2. Solution x plus 4 by 3 equal to 3 1 by 2. Which fraction? Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction convert to improper fraction. X plus 4 by 3 equal 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 2. X equal to 7 by 2 plus 4 by 3 transposing చేస్తే minus 4 by 3 plus ఉంటే minus minus ఉంటే plus అని రాయొచ్చు కదా. X equal to 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. First of all LCM 2 3 ja 6. 2 3 ja 6. 3 into 7 minus 3 2 ja 6. 2 into 4. X equal to 3 7 ja 21 minus 2 4 ja 8 by 6. X equal to 21 minus 8 13 by 6. Answer equal to 13 by 6.